Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Today I am standing here front of camera. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my lovely teacher Tabrez sir who give me this golden chance, dear friend. I am known by the name of MD Hasnan, inhabitant of Hajipur Gola. Today I am deliver a short speech on the topic of the importance of English. First of all, what is English? English is an international language as well as subject. It has got a title of lingua franca. Lingua franca means common language, which is spoken all over the world. More than 375 million people of the world speak English. 80% of the internet is in English. English is assist source of communication. Now I am telling you why is English so important. First point, English is an official language of developed and developing countries. Second point, mostly the books of science are written in English. So we can say that English is the storehouse of scientific knowledge. No, one can be a good doctor, a good engineer, a good scientist without English. Third point, in competition, examination of railway, banking, navy, air force, Jamia, Aligarh, etc. question asked from English. Fourth point, in interview, English is very important to describe ourselves, explain some topics and answer the question of interview badly. And the last point, at last, I would like to tell you, English improve our personality and the change mode of living. Give us promotion and respect everywhere. There is no way out to keep ourselves away from it. I hope if we learn it by our heart, success will kiss our feet. Thank you, sir.